Hi, how to set up profiles in Rapid PDF Count. Now, profiles are for having different setups of settings for different types of counting. So rather than going into the setup every time and changing various settings in options, you can actually save these in profiles, and you can have up to 5 different profiles. If you load set up profile here, you've got example 1 there. So you can go set up profile 1, 2, 3. So it loads that setup. So to actually modify the setup to how you want it, click on setup, options, set up profiles, set up profile 1. In here you can name the profile to whatever you want. And then you can check what you want it to count. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it blank, just do normal page counting and nothing else. So I can name it, say, page counting. So now when I go into file, load setup profile, you can see there it's got that name in there in the menu. So next time you load up the software, you can quickly just go to that setup and then count your files. So I'm going to page count this, and it's just done page count only. Now say if I want word count and other things, you can just go into setup, options, and change it to that if you want to do that. But in this case, I'm going to go options, set up profile 2. I'm going to do word count and color page counting. And it would do normal page counting as well. I'm just going to do page size counting as well. And I can do full. So now when I go on to load setup profile, you can see there's 2 there now. So I can either select page counting, which is well before, or go on to set up profile 2, full. Which will do all the color counting and everything else. You can see it's got words count there. In this case, it doesn't have any words on the PDF. Color page count at A4 size. I'm going to drag and drop another file in because I know this has got words in it. Page count. So you can see it's got a words count there for the entire file. Scroll across and you've got all the other counts by being done there. And you can do this for actual reporting as well. So you could generate your reports for, say, page size into this folder here, save and exit, and then when I run it, it will create my reports there for each file. So that's nice and simple to use. Like I say, you can have up to 5 different ones. Or you could just go into setup options and just set your settings how you want, and it will actually count that way. So this gives you lots of flexibility. Give it a try.